Hi there, students. Ambrosia. Ambrosia, an uncountable noun. Let's see, today I think we would use this word ambrosia to say something that tastes really nice or something that smells really nice. So, for example, my granny makes a chocolate cake that is sheer ambrosia. It's absolutely delicious. The smell of the woods in spring was ambrosia to my senses. Yeah, really pleasant tasting or pleasant smelling. Yeah, let's see. Ambrosia originally was in Greek and Roman mythologies was the food eaten by the gods. Yeah, doves used to bring ambrosia to the Greek gods at the top of Mount Olympus. And this was the food that they ate, and this was the thing that bestowed, that gave them immortality. But, well, that's mythology for you. Today I would use this word ambrosia to say something that is especially delicious. It's got a really tasty flavour. It's a really good fragrance. So yes, this bottle of wine is ambrosia. Yeah, it's absolutely delicious. It's got a wonderful flavour to it. Yeah, it's just fantastic. Okay, so ambrosia, something that's really tasty, something that you think is really nice. You also actually have a pudding or a dessert called ambrosia. You can probably find a recipe for it in internet. Usually made from oranges, maybe pineapple and shredded coconut. Sounds pretty good as well. But use it for anything that's particularly delicious. Yeah, anything that smells particularly nice. Yeah, I sat down to the ambrosia of my mum's Sunday lunch. It was always very tasty. It always smelt wonderful. Yeah. Yeah, the smell of freshly baked bread is like ambrosia. Okay. As to formality, I think this word's a bit literary. I think in an essay, in a semi-formal writing, it would fit very nicely. Is a good word to use instead of tasty. Yeah, you say this is ambrosia, or it's like ambrosia. Using it as a simile would work very nicely. Okay, so ambrosia, effectively the food of the gods. As to origin, it comes through Latin ambrosia, from ancient Greek ambrosia, which comes from a and brotos. A meaning not, and brotos mortal. So ambrosia, ambrotos in ancient Greek, meaning immortal, because this was the food that gave immortality. Yeah, so wouldn't it be nice to find some real ambrosia? Oh yes, and then as to origin, this word ambrosia, or the Greek word, is clearly linked to the Sanskrit word amrita, which is a food or a drink that the gods used to consume to give them immortality. Can you use it more metaphorically? The news was ambrosia to my ears. I guess you could, but it's more normally for something that smells or tastes delicious. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ambrosia.